My dear viewers and subscribers, welcome to Hello from Finland. And this video is not about Finland. We sometimes travel. We, that is my wife and myself. So please allow me to invite you for a short walk in the center of Milan, Italy. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. This train will take us from Bergamo to Milan. Milan is the second largest city in Italy after Rome. The population of Milan is 1.4 million. Rome, 2.8 million, 2 times larger. So we're leaving Bergamo to spend a day in Milan. It is a bright, sunny day. The air temperature is 21 degrees Celsius in Bergamo. Italian landscapes from the train window. You know, it's beautiful, but I like Finland more. Here in Italy you have no forests, just bushes and fields. And this is Lambrate or Lambrate, a train station and a district on the outskirts of Milan. Here it is, Lambrate. We're arriving at Milano Centrale, the central railway station of Milan. It is a large railway station, one of the major, biggest railway stations in Europe. And this is the she-wolf and Romulus and Remus, the founders of Rome. And we're in the main building of the railway station. Just let's take a look around us. The construction of this building started in the last century, in 1912, and was completed in 1931 when Italy was under Benito Mussolini's rule. It was a fascist regime. And you know, majestic, monumental architecture is very much characteristic for fascist regimes. This is the main facade of the railway station. It is 200 meters wide, monumental. And this is the square in front of the railway station. Hotels, tall buildings. This building is the most beautiful railway station I have ever seen. This broad and straight avenue is called Via Vittor Pisani. It runs from the main railway station toward il Duomo di Milano, the Cathedral of Milan. We left Via Vittor Pisani and continued our way along nice, cute, quiet streets of Milan. These little quiet streets are much different from places like the Cathedral Square and other places frequented by tourists. Here there is no rush, no crowds of tourists. I like streets like that. Many houses in Italian cities have terraces and rooftops. It's quite usual in Italy. This is my wife walking with a confident step, and as usual, I'm trudging behind her. We are in Piazza della Scala, and by hearing this name, you might guess that we are near the famous Opera House, La Scala. Names like Luciano Pavarotti come to mind, Maria Callas, Renata Tebaldi, and this is Leonardo da Vinci. This is La Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II. Victor Emmanuel II was the first king of United Italy. Hi guys, hello from Finland and greetings from Milan, Italy. I guess you see what's behind my back. I want to show it to you now. Wait a minute. Il Duomo di Milano, or Milan's Cathedral in English. Stunningly beautiful. And this is Victor Emmanuel II, the first king of United Italy. This horseman is Giuseppe Garibaldi, an Italian general who played a crucial role in unifying Italy during the 19th century. So it was Milan, and we're returning to our hotel in Bergamo, Italy. So, guys, if you liked this video, please don't be shy to smash that like button under this video. And thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you here again on our channel Hello from Finland.